Hi student, in this record I will explain the experiment number 4, inhibition of hydrogen peroxide. Aim of experiment to learn about the inhibitors compound to reduce the activity of the catalyst. Theory part. Inhibitors is a chemical compound that can either stop or decrease the rate of reaction. Therefore, we call the negative catalyst. This compound can reduce the activity of the catalyst. In the previous experiment, we talked about the catalyst. Catalyst is the special substance that increase the rate of reaction by decrease the activation energy. In this experiment, we have the inhibitors. Inhibitors is a negative catalyst. Decrease the rate of reaction or prevent the chemical reaction. In this slide, we show the different or differentiate between the catalyst and inhibitors. The definition of the catalyst is the chemical compound that increase the rate of reaction without consuming. Inhibitors is the chemical compound that stop it or decrease the rate of reaction. Uses the catalyst used to increase the rate of reaction. Inhibitors used to stop or to decrease the rate of reaction. Mechanism of the action. In the catalyst, the mechanism provide an alternative reaction pathway by producing a reaction intermediate. In the inhibitors, the mechanism either deactivate the catalyst or remove the intermediate reaction. Example to the catalyst: enzyme, nickel, zeolite, charcoal, and many transition metal. Example to the inhibitors: acetanilide, many drugs such as penicillin, and in this experiment we have the sodium phosphate as the inhibitors. In this experiment we have the iron ion used as the catalyst to decomposition of hydrogen peroxide. When we add sodium phosphate, the phosphate ion act as the inhibitors, remove the iron ion from the reaction by precipitation of iron phosphate according to this equation, according to this chemical equation. Iron plus phosphate equal iron phosphate. Inhibitors are important chemical substance and found in commercial product and biological system. Many drugs and toxic agents are inhibitors because they block the active site of the enzyme and render them inactive. Material used in this experiment: 0.2 molarity of iron nitrate act as the catalyst, 10% hydrogen peroxide, 0.2 molarity sodium phosphate, glassware used, beaker, cylinder, and stopwatch. Procedure: take 15 ml of hydrogen peroxide, add 2 ml of 0.2 molarity of iron nitrate to the beaker with H2O2 and time the reaction with the stopwatch. The reaction has stopped when the bubbling has stopped. Record the time for the H2O to decompose. Second, here the catalyst procedure experiment. And the next procedure is the catalyst with inhibitor. Take 15 ml of hydrogen peroxide, add 2 ml of the inhibitors 0.2 molarity sodium phosphate, and then added 2 ml of catalyst iron nitride. Then open the time and record the time for the reaction decomposition. Data table for the calculation, chemicals used to peroxide, time to react. This chemical is the catalyst or inhibitors. Sorry. And this is the discussion, some question about the inhibitors. Thank you.